Creating and optimizing a business YouTube channel. Hey there, friends! You just did a great job researching and picking a niche to start off on the right foot. And now, it is time to go on YouTube. Your job now is to establish a presence. And for that, you have to create a YouTube channel for your business. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create a branded YouTube channel that is optimized to reach the right viewers and customers, step by step, the right way. Creating your channel. To create a YouTube channel, you have to start by going to the YouTube website while logged into your Google account. Once there, click on the profile icon to open the YouTube menu, and then click on the Settings tab. On the following page, click on the Add or Manage Your Channels link. On the following page, click on Create New Channel. Now you are going to enter the name of your brand or business into the Brand Account Name field. Next, click on the Create button. Customizing and optimizing your channel. Great job! Now that you created a branded channel, it is time for you to customize it and optimize it. Start by clicking on the Customize Channel button. This will take you to the channel customization page, where you are going to add your channel icon, your channel art, your channel description, and more. Let's start with the channel icon. For this, click on the Edit button inside the icon placement. Next, click on the Edit button. On the following page, click on Upload Photo and upload your company logo. Awesome job! Now go back where you left on YouTube to add your channel art. This is a cover image that will appear on your channel page. First, click on the Add Channel Art button. Next, click on Select Photo from your computer. Then locate and upload your cover image. Lastly, click on Select. Now it is time to optimize the channel. For this, click on the About tab, and then on Channel Description on the following page. What you'll do now is to compose a description of your brand and a summary of the content that viewers will find on the channel. Here you are going to include keywords and search terms, so your channel appears on searches that target those same keywords and terms in YouTube searches. You can click on Done when you finish. And that is it, folks. As you can see, creating a branded YouTube channel for your business is a piece of cake. You just need to apply the right optimizations to make it really attractive and search-friendly from the get-go.